Hello, today we're gonna discuss about basic English that we needed for our exam. So there are majorly 8 components for the basic English. The first is cloze test, second is error spotting, third is fill in the blanks, fourth is grammar, parajumbles, reading comprehension, sentence correction, vocabulary. In this vocabulary, we need to know idiom phrases, one-word substitutes, spelling errors, synonym and antonym. Today, I am going to discuss about synonym and antonym. So, what do you mean by synonym and antonyms? Synonym means the same meaning. The word is exactly the same. Antonyms are opposite words. So, here we have a question. Choose the synonym. Choose a synonym for decay. So, we need to know about the other meanings of the 4 options given below. The word is decay. So, we know that decay means decompose, and it's very easy to find out the decay. The meaning for the decay is decompose. But we have to know about other meanings also. Decline, dispose, disturb. Okay, so moving to second question. So, our second question is evocative. So, we need to find out the meaning for evocative. For that, we need to already know about the meaning of other 4 words. The first thing is reminiscent, inciting, incendiary, falsified. So, you can pause this video and find out the meaning also. So, the word reminiscent means tending to remind one of something. It means memories. It is strong memories. The word is exactly similar to evocative. Inciting means encouraging a person to commit a crime. Incendiary means it may be a device or attack to cause fires. They are only for making fires. Falsified, as we all know that what is the meaning for false? It is the same thing. Alter so as to mislead. So evocative means strong memories. It is exactly the meaning for the word reminiscent. So the option is reminiscent. The next question is choose synonym for the word accurate. We already know that what is the meaning for accurate? It should be very precise. On our options, the option D is precise. Real, we know what is the meaning for the real, genuine, sincere, precise. So, the option for the question is precise. The next question is choose the synonym for dedication. The options are determination, trepidation, commitment and contentment. So determination is having made a firm decision. No matter what happens, it is a firm decision. Trepidation means feeling of a fear or anxiety about something may happen. We are always terrified about it may happen or not. Commitment is an agreement or a pledge to do something in future. We always are committed to do a particular job or something like that. Contentment is a state of happiness, satisfaction. Okay, so the dedication will be similar to determination. So our final question for today is find a word that is antonym for the sacrifice. Antonym means the opposite for sacrifice. Here are 4 options: assimilate, abandon, acquire, absorb. Assimilate is taken in and understand fully. Abandon means to leave a place or a thing or person. Acquire means to obtain or receive. Absorb means to take something in. So sacrifice means we know that. But the opposite for antonym, that is antonym of sacrifice is? Okay, comment below your answers. Thank you.